Hello, welcome to Can I Mop? Presented by Little Pine Education, the best phonics stories ever, Level B, number 14. So, the little boy wants to mop. What problems do you think he will have? What will get in the way of him being able to mop? First, let's preview the short vowel words. Tom, top, mop, gets, rug, doll, cat, dog, dad, and the challenge word, dropped. Tom has to mop. First, he has to move the rug. But his sister's doll is on top of the rug. He gets the doll. But now the cat is on top of the rug. He gets the cat. But now the dog is on the rug. He gets the dog off the rug. And he gets the rug. Where is the mop? His dad has the mop. Look at his pop. That's the end. I hope to see you again next time. Oh, look, he finally gets to mop. Bye-bye.